This is a toy train in India near Mandi House. So finally, we are gonna end our ride. It was a wonderful evening. Look, the birds are flying in the sky. What a serene environment in India. Wow, India is beautiful. India is beautiful. Wow. This is my friend Krishna, and this is me, guys.